Nama rumah kuat kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Kiri pop sudah. Himdan hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Chuang mem ta. Ngalai ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kuat ban niap bak cingdum.
Ndam la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki Pulit kila haban Synreit dau pepper spray bantem ya ka jingbitar shla jong ki Paidbah nong shong shnong kala pangam katba kidang tur Secretariat Hakhmat lai tarik ujumang araja punrio namar ka jingbam shimkhia jong ka sarkar ya ka jingsha khanglat ban let rap Shaki hali bat ki langkha la jong ki berang hap hapo upur usam jong ka shnong la pangam ha ki jait benrio karbi bat ki Pulit ka asam Hakum kani kapor katba ki Paidbah kidang ya khun bantur shaka khardop jong ka Secretariat anda poi Hakhmat ka office USP ki Pulit kila Synreit dau pepper spray bat kam hadian ki Pulit kila Synreit biang dau pepper spray ubala Siej shaka Hakhmat jong uwe unong shong shnong kala pangam ubala yam namar ka jing terha naga jing sat jong ki Hakhmat
Tentu.
Set masih ada terus. Gas. Siap kau daerah perkemahan.
Siara ngasungat dengan bor dah. Kisiat ingat.
Tau yale ak noi kawang.
Suka wang kan dia deng.
Dei wei kis tho dei long.
Tega deng ba rat Pulit dah.
Long som kan long sak ni.
Itu orang ah. Yo ira dah.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.